Hello everyone, and happy Valentine's Day. I thought a nice way to start would be to connect to the rhythm of our hearts and the rhythm of nature, because that's the card that came out of the deck for today. This is Janet, and you're tuning in to Celestial Origin Healing Runes, and this is the rune Nature. I'm a little shaky, as you can tell. The definition for nature is we are an intricate part of nature. We are inseparable from it. Within nature, we find our balance, and here we are closest to spirit. When we ignore this connection, we feel isolated and alone. I think it's important to remember that, especially on a day when so many people are feeling left out, unloved, and alone. Nature has so much to teach us through all of her various systems, flora and fauna, cycles and rhythms. Connect, listen, learn, and find the natural harmonies within. This rune will inspire us to connect to our own true nature and the wholeness that brings love, peace, and oneness when we deepen our connection to Mother Earth. I'll put this definition down below so that you can read it again. And again, the picture of the rune Nature. And it's interesting, I sat down outside to be more connected to nature, and two trees are right behind me. That just happened. And I want to play the drum again, and you can just close your eyes and allow the rhythm of the drum to help you connect to your heart center. And afterwards, I'll play a tuning fork that's tuned to the heart chakra. That would be F. I hope that you can find all the love you desire in nature, and get outside today if you can and be a part of all that. Have a beautiful day, and happy Valentine's Day from my heart to yours. Peace.